Calm down.
Sir, what did I do, sir?
I said calm down. I'm talking, you are talking.
No,
My guy is talking, you are talking.
No.
Calm down.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Hello?
Scope Etenya.
Hello?
You are on duty and you are receiving call. Is your head using Tiger battery?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Bless the hand.
Sir, you are blessed, sir.
What's this?
Sir, this is our church flyer, sir. Yes, Faith Guard Christian Assembly, sir. This program is coming up this month, sir.
Wow, God is doing marvelous things in that ministry. From glory to glory.
It's a one-day program, don't have time.
Oh, sir, it's not a one-day program. It's not a one-day program. It's a 6-day program. Start on the 6th and end on the 12th, sir.
From
glory to glory, the Lord is going to transform your life from this position you are
it's
now.
okay.
Do the needful. I'll use it.
Drop something here.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
What's this?
Run.
Scope Etenya.